For the second 3-year period in a row, our production plant in Drongen, Belgium has been awarded with a prestigious title. We can proudly call ourselves Factory of the Future. My name is Dimitri van Grotenbril, Project Engineer Automation at Royal Agrifin Group's Drongen plant. It is my great pleasure to tell you a bit more about one of the 7 reasons why the Factory of the Future jury selected us again to be one of their laureates. This reason is the transformation of our plant into a high-tech digital factory. When we were expanding and rethinking our production facilities, we were very aware of the fact that we were doing this in the Industry 4.0 era. Big data are the single source of truth throughout the entire value chain, and have a huge potential to steer, manage and optimize all kinds of processes, including our production lines. Keep in mind that the challenges we are facing are not small. Guaranteeing top quality, meeting specific customer requirements, turning out large volumes quickly, but keeping small volumes affordable too. Raising the bar on all these domains demands intelligent production systems that run into state-of-the-art facilities. This is the only way to maintain an agile and future-proof business that delivers products with a high added value. In fact, the entire redesign of our production environment was a digital project to begin with. The whole setup was conceived in a high-tech 3D replica of the factory. This gave us the opportunity to simulate, test, evaluate and fine-tune every single part of the process before building it. The digital backbone of the factory also includes an unseen level of integration with the company's ERP and MES systems and a very advanced track and trace solution. By integrating every source of digital information on materials, processes and logistics, our teams managed to connect all the dots in the production line. From quality control data on incoming raw materials, over automated stock management and replenishments up to dosage algorithms, every step in the production process is monitored, automated where possible and visualized on the workfloor. Smartly positioned dashboards and screens support our staff from operator to quality manager and give them the ability to perform with the utmost precision. While human know-how remains an asset, the room for human error is reduced to practically zero. It goes without saying that this ambitious digitalization project has been realized with strict data security protocols in place. Multi-layered software architecture and advanced firewalls guarantee the safety and confidentiality of our renewed digital workflow.